Good afternoon. Presentación Inglés 1. My name is Jason Javier Alonso Torres. I am 25 years old. I am from Ubaté, Cundinamarca. I stood in the work on the farm. My marital status is single. I live with my family, with my mom and my father. I like to read a horse. In these images, we can see the Ubaté church. Ubaté is a small town of Cundinamarca. This beautiful building has a Gothic style. For this reason, is visited for many tours. In this photograph, I am with my mother and my father. The sport is the principal activity that we enjoy in family on weekends. Our principal fun is to read bicycle.